Hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to verify your YouTube account step by step, including some key optimization settings that most people miss. That will help you maximize your results even if you have already started. Hey, it's Pratt here from Beginners Tech Society, where we help you amplify your channel, business, and brands with the educational and technical videos. If you are new to the channel, I request you to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for future notifications. So let's jump into it. So just open any browser, type in youtube.com, click enter. That will prompt you to the YouTube page. On the top right hand corner, you can see your YouTube logo. Click on it, click on your channel, and that will take you to your channel. The next step is to verify your channel. For that, on the left hand side, I'll see the settings. I'll just click on that settings option. That will take me to, and then next is channel status and features. Click on this. This will open a new tab, and I can see the feature eligibility section here under channels. In this, I see three categories of features. First is the standard feature, which is already enabled. As I can see, I can upload videos, and some other features are enabled. Now, next is the intermediary features, for which I need to verify my phone number to enable uploading videos more than 15 minutes, do live streaming, and other features that are there. Let's verify the phone number here. Click on verify phone number. That will open another tab. Here you can see you can either text yourself and get a call. I would always prefer to text the OTP. You can just mention your phone number here. For security purposes, I have hidden the phone number. Click on get code. You will receive the OTP on your cell. You can enter that 6-digit verification code here. Okay, I've got my code here. Let's click on submit once the code is entered, and that will give you that congratulations, your phone number has been verified. So if you go back to the previous tab, you will see your intermediary features are automatically enabled. Right now, you can stream videos, live streaming, as well as videos more than 15 minutes, as well as other features. The last one is the advanced features. In this, you can see the two requirements are first to enable your intermediary features, as well as choose either of the three. That will help you do further streaming, upload more videos, as well as some other features, including the important one, that is monetizing your channel, which most YouTubers generally like to do. So let's click on the access features. Okay, now here you see three options, that use video verification, use your valid ID, build channel history. I'll tell you, the first option and the third option takes a longer time to verify your channel. It's always a better and a quicker thing to do to upload your valid ID, and you can verify your channel quickly, right? So these are the three options as we can see. Let's go ahead with the second option. Click on next, and you can get a QR code, as well as the email ID. You will click on the get email ID, and you will receive a email on the QR code. Just scan the QR code, and you can upload any document like your passport or driving license, etc. And this is how it will display once it is the document is uploaded. You can see on the top that your request is pending, and once it is approved in 24 hours, it will be displayed as enabled. So all three features are enabled here, and you will have the access, as well as you have the option of monetization if you are a YouTuber. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel, as well as click on the notification button for future videos. Like, comment, and share.